The APOER2-GAB1 pathway, also known as the renin signaling pathway, is a critical molecular cascade that regulates neuronal migration during brain development and maintains cytoskeleton stability in the adult brain. Recent research suggests that disruption of this pathway is a primary driver of neurodegeneration, which leads to Alzheimer's disease. In the normal pathway, the first step to the process is ligand binding. A ligand, such as renin, APOE, or APOJ, binds to the receptor APOER2 on the neuronal surface. The binding of this creates and activates a cytoplasmic adapter protein, specifically DAB1, and this undergoes tyrosine phosphorylation, which means it is then able to activate the cascade called P13K P85 alpha. And the production of this causes two things. First, LIMK1 is activated, and the activation of this is what stabilizes the actin cytoskeleton. The actin cytoskeleton is what determines cell shape and drives cell movement to cause muscle contraction. The second role of P13K P85 alpha is to stop the production of GS3K beta, and this stopped production is what stops the hyperphosphorylation of tau and PSD95, which helps stabilize microtubules and synapses, and this stabilization stops tau from tangling up and causing memory loss. However, a disruption in this pathway can cause Alzheimer's disease, and this is called the RAAAD-P-LTP hypothesis, and this is a result of competitive inhibition. When a competitive inhibitor binds to APOER2, the entire pathway becomes different. To start off, the APOER2 will be unable to form DAB1, which will cause P13K P85 alpha not to form, and this will cause LIMK1 not to form and stop the stabilization of the actin cytoskeleton, which will alter the shape of cells in the muscles, causing the muscles to be unable to contract. This is something that people diagnosed with Alzheimer's often have to deal with. The stopped production of P13K P85 alpha will also cause GS3K beta to form and cause tau and PSD95 to undergo hyperphosphorylation, and this will stop the microtubules and synapses from being stabilized, and this will cause tau to begin to accumulate and tangle and lead to memory loss. This whole process occurs in the amygdala. The disrupted pathway correlates directly with cognitive deficits and neuropsychiatric symptoms such as depression and personality changes, which are both two of the main symptoms of Alzheimer's.